Before having my implants done here at Advanced Dentistry, I was facing major problems. The total discoloration of my teeth. Every single one of them had different colors. It was very frustrating speaking with people or my patient on a regular basis. I had to take this necessary action to get this corrected. So once I was able to schedule the appointment with Dr. George, I went ahead and have it done.
Felix, when we first met, didn't like the way his upper teeth were mismatched. There were different colors. We talked about different options, and the option he chose was to have a full upper permanent smile that is supported by implant restorations.
Dr. George is a very caring dentist, and he will only decide the best for his patient. He will spend the amount of time necessary to achieve that goal for his patient. Since I came to Dr. George's office, I always had confidence that he was going to do a good job, and I trusted him 100%, and his staff.
The outcome for Felix is amazing. Not only he got his beautiful, symmetrical, harmonious white smile that he wanted, but his overall health is much better. He feels stronger.
It's a big difference, to be honest with you. The discoloration that I had in my tooth and all my teeth was just unacceptable. Now I can smile, and I'm not afraid or limited with my smile to my patient. I enjoy it much more now since I have the work done by Dr. George.